Embracing the timeless saying, home is where the heart is, we present Belgrave Road L1, the epitome of student accommodation in Liverpool, which is sure to steal your heart away. Nestled in the culturally rich city of Liverpool, Belgrave Road L1 student accommodation offers a range of luxurious 5-bedroom, non-ensuite apartments. Stepping into the private bedroom, you're greeted by a plush bed, modern study area, spacious closet with ample storage, and pristine shared bathrooms. But what truly sets this property apart are the exceptional amenities it provides, including convenient on-street parking, contemporary furnishings throughout, and even a TV for your entertainment needs. Speaking of the location, Liverpool John Moores University and City of Liverpool College are a short drive away from this property. With various restaurants at a stone's throw, such as Churrasco Steakhouse, Lunko by the Lane, and Yum Cha, you're always spoiled for choice. And if you ever fancy exploring beyond, St. Michael's train station is just a 5-minute walk from the property, and various bus stations such as Bosnia Street and Diggle Brow are within easy reach, ensuring a hassle-free commute. Ready to make Belgrave Road L1 your new home? Don't wait any longer. Visit amberstudent.com and secure your home away from home today.